Hello, I'm Shubham Mallik. This is from
Soham Sen from CSC
Hello,
second year.
I'm Shubhankar Nath Roychowdhury from CAC Section C, second year.
Myself, Soham Paul.
And we are here to show our project on our sign language translator. First off, we have our use case diagram.
So we are discussing the use case diagram of our project, sign language detector. So first we will log in into the site. Then we will go to the detect option. Then we will start the process. There the user will show some gestures like we will use this as um, this as C, this as L, these kind of gestures to mm, show some letters, and the website that we have created will show the output we have saved there in the data set. And after your process is done, you will just click the stop button and the process will end there. And your progress, daily progress will be saved in the dashboard. Uh, that's it of the method.
Next up, we have Soham explaining the different types of resources we have used.
Our website has many features like real-time recognition, easy-to-use interface, adaptive learning, high accuracy, and real-time user progress data. For front-end, we are using React and Redux. React and Redux are very useful frameworks for easy-to-use interface. For backend, we are using Firebase, and Firebase is very good for hosting, authentication, and storage. And for machine learning framework, we are using MediaPipe. MediaPipe is providing us the landmarks of the hand and for detecting the hand. And there are other NPM packages which also includes the MediaPipe, Firebase, JS cookies, and others.
Next up, we have the outputs explained by me. So we are in our code editor. We are going to start our website from there. And as you can see, our website have opened in our browser. Logging in order to show this function. As you can see, we're going to log in with our Gmail account and we have logged in. So in order to detect, you do need to log in. So here we have the importance of sign language first of all, so people know why they need to learn that. We have some brief description of it, what is sign language, how to learn, practice and test using our website. And these are some of the features of our website. As you can see, we do translate it real time, translate from sign language to normal language real time. It's quite easy to use, as you will see. It is adaptive because we can change our dataset as per required, and it does have high accuracy. So we actually going to start detecting it here, and as you can see, we can see our camera. I'm going to start it, and you'll see just in a second, like say this is hello here. Hello is being printed, and it's kind of, this is for P, this is for W, and so on. We can actually do many other things. All the letters are there, and some common gestures are. We have another aspect of our website, and that is in the dashboard. And as you can see, you can actually see how much you have practiced. See this. So we practiced these signs just right now. You can see how many times you have practiced the frequency, the signs, also in what serial we did. And it's just, this code is just for your daily motivation. Thank you. Lastly, I would like to thank Sir for giving us this wonderful project to work on, and also my teammates for their cooperation. Thank you.